The Cookie Monster is back. Come on, eat the Sticko. Sticko, Sticko. Eat the Sticko. Eat the Sticko. Come on.
His new brother Danny came home from the hospital.
Sticko. Eat Sticko, baby. Eat the Sticko. Sticko Monster. Ay, nako. Wala na. Paano ba yan? Nadurog? Nadurog, Dylan?
Okay.
It's okay, it's okay. Don't eat that. It's dirty na.
David and I would go into the kitchen.
Sticko. Come on. Are you eating Sticko also, Darian? Yes? Where's your Sticko? Where? Oh. Is it yummy? The Cookie Monster Brothers. Ha ha ha. Now they're the Sticko Brothers.
Another Sticko Monster.
What?
No.
You're not a Sticko Monster?
That's no monster.
Who? Who's the monster?
That's no monster here.
Oh, there's no monster here. You say hi to Tito.
No.
Why?
Kim.
Huh?
Kim.
Dirty?
Kim.
Dirty.
I read the watching.
No, 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 no. Don't eat that. Sticko boy. That's already dirty. Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Sticko.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.